Porsche electronic parking brake EPB systems vary by vehicle and chassis type, and understanding those differences is critical before performing a rear brake service. Each system uses a different mechanical design, and that means each one requires a different retraction, adjustment, and calibration process using your scan tool. With iSCAN NX, you have access to the correct OE level service functions for each configuration, but knowing which system you are working on is step one. Type 1, rotor with integrated drum, dual left and right actuators. This system uses a rotor with an internal drum and separate actuators on both left and right rear wheels. Both actuators control internal parking brake shoes, making this a hybrid mechanical and electronic system. Any Porsche with rotor with integrated drum, dual left and right rear actuators will follow this service routine. The procedure includes assembly position, basic setting or air gap adjustment, grind-in procedure, final calibration. This system requires mechanical adjustment of the internal drum brake shoes, and the grind-in process ensures proper contact and holding force. But remember, if the vehicle has ceramic rotors, the grind-in step is skipped. This is the most involved system and requires both correct scan tool functions and proper mechanical setup. When working with the system, most techs are telling us they skip the retraction process and leave it as they found it when servicing the rear pads or rotors. Type 2, rotor only, dual actuators integrated into calipers, Macon 95B, Tycon 9J1. This system eliminates the internal drum entirely. Instead, the parking brake is integrated directly into the rear brake calipers with actuators mounted on each side. Because there is no drum or shoe system, the service process is more streamlined. The procedure includes commissioning or assembly position, parking brake calibration. There is no air gap adjustment, no grind-in procedure. This is a fully electronic system, and iSCAN NX handles the entire process through guided service functions. Type 3, single left side actuator with mechanical linkage, the Panamera 976, 911, 992.2. Instead of dual actuators, there is one actuator mounted on the left side only. This actuator directly controls the left parking brake mechanism and uses a crossover cable with an equalizer to operate the right side. Because of this design, the system combines electronic control with mechanical linkage, requiring a different service approach. The procedure includes startup of operations, parking brake adjustment, parking brake calibration. This setup requires attention to both the actuator function and the mechanical balance between both sides. Not all Porsche electronic parking brake systems are the same. Each configuration requires a different iSCAN NX service function and a different mechanical approach. Using the wrong procedure can lead to improper adjustment, brake drag, or parking brake faults. With the iSCAN NX, you have access to the correct OE level functions for each system, allowing you to service Porsche vehicles correctly and fast in-house. Understanding the system you're working on enables you to repair the vehicle right the first time.